In this video, we will learn about a program to get a max heap. In the previous video, I have already explained what is a max heap and as well as the algorithm of max heap. Both had been explained in the past video. In this, we will type a program. In the past video, I had said that this max heap is based on max heapify function. So the program of max heapify will be used here. You know, if you have seen the past video, in that video you saw that every non-leaf node was max heapified. Only then we get a max heap. So the program that was discussed in a past video, that was about max heapify, will be used here. I have saved that program during that video when I was creating that video. In that video, during that video, I had saved that program, and the same program, that is the program to max heapify, here is with me. I show you that program. This is the program, this is the entire program I show you. So since this program will be used, so I copy this program, this entire program. I have already explained this program, so I copy this and here I paste. I again remind you that what is this program? This program is to max heapify a certain node, and you know, in this video I will type a program for the max heap. Since the max heap is based on max heapify function, so I use the same program, but obviously certainly there will be a little addition, and that addition is, you know, since we have to make a max heap, so here will be void build max heap. Function's name will be build max heap, and inside this arguments will be passed, and the arguments will be, first, for the array name is an address, so int star here, and thereafter array size. I think these two arguments are sufficient. If we need more, then I will add, but here I use only two arguments. Since I have used two arguments, I have declared a function named build max heap, so accordingly I have to call it, and here I erase this part. There are no need to keep this part. There is no need of this part, and here will be max heap max heap array elements, because we want max heap as an output. So accordingly I have modified, and thereafter I have to call this function build max heap. I call here build max heap, and here, since I have passed two arguments, so here will be array name and the size. Now I have called the function build max heap. Now it is time to define this function. So I define above max heapify function here, and since I have taken this build max heap a void function, so void will be here, and here the function name build max heap, and here will be int the array name I take the same, and here n, and thereafter its definition. Here inside this I take a index, a variable for the index I, and as I have explained in the past video, in the previous video, that we max heapify only the non-leaf nodes, and for that we take non-leaf nodes but in the opposite direction. So here I take for loop, since we have to work in the opposite direction, so I starts from n by 2. This n by 2 ensures that we are taking only non-leaf nodes, and here will be the condition will be I less than minus I greater than minus 1. This means that the minimum value of I will be 0, the root node, and you saw the same in the previous video. The last node to be max heapified was the root node, the node with index 0, and here will be I minus minus, and thereafter the max heapify function will be called, and for that I type the same function max heapify, and in this max heapify function you can see here there are two arguments, in the max heapify here you see there are three arguments. You can see that there are three arguments, so I pass accordingly three arguments. Here will be a, the array name, and here will be I, the index, and the last one will be the size. So our build max heap, the definition of build max heap I think is complete. Now I run the program, and we'll check the output whether the output is correct or not. So I go to run the program. It says to save the program, so I save this under the name max heap. Okay, I have saved. Now it should run. Okay, it is running. And I take the same example that was in the previous video, the same array that was in the previous video. So for that I go for one note because that array was in one note. Here I type one note. Yes, it has come. So I request you again that first see the previous video. Here is the array. You see, this is the array. I take the same array and we'll check the result. We check the output, whether the output is giving this heap or not. And so you see here the array elements are 5, 6, 7, 3, and here the array size is 12. So first we here type array size, and you see that array size is 12. Thereafter I press the key enter. Now I take the elements. Here you see elements are 5, 6, 7, 3, 4, 9. 5, 6, 7, 3, 4, 9. So I place here 5, 6, 3, 4, 4, 7, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have taken 6 elements and there will be 6 more elements. Five, 6, 7, 3, 4, 9. No, I have taken the elements in some other order. So I have to run it again, and it says enter the size. I take the same size, that is 12, and pressed the key enter. Now I have to remember the elements. Here you see the elements in the blue rectangles: 5, 6, 7, 3, 4, 9. 5, 6, 7, 3, 4, 9. Okay, I have taken 6 elements. Now remaining 6 elements: 5, 6, 7, 3, 4, 9. Now the remainings are 22, 13, 0, 1, 51, 12. 22, 13, 0, 1. Here will be the next elements: 22, 13, 0, 1, 51, and there was one more element. I have to see that. the last one is 12. Okay, you see the elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 11, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So there will be the last element and that is 12. Okay. Now I paste and the output should be a max heap. I press the key enter. It is not giving anything. Let us check whether there are 12 elements or not. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yes, there are 12 elements, but it is not giving anything. Yes. Oh, yes. It has given. It has given us the output. Maybe there was some here is the output. Let us check this output. The output is 51, 13, 22, 5. Let us check these four elements 51, 13, 22, 5. Let us see that in the notepad. Sorry, one note. Here you see 51 is at the top, thereafter 13, 22, 5. Okay, the first four elements are in their right positions. Now let us see the next four elements. And the next four elements you see here are 6, 12, 7, 3. 6, 12, 7, 3. Okay, let us see 6, 12, 7, 3. You see the same. Here you see it is 6. You see 6, 12, 7, and here is 3 in the same order. Now remaining elements are 0. Here you see I mark the remaining elements 0, 1, 4, 9. 0, 1, 4, 9. So in our output the last elements should be 0, 1, 4, 9. Yes, it is. You see the last elements are here 0, here 1, 4, 9. So our program is correct, and I repeat again that this program is to get a max heap, and this max heap is based on the function max heapify. So I used the past function, the function used in a past video. Okay, and now once again I show you the entire Max Heap program. Here is the program. You see this is the upper part of this program. Here is the middle part of this program, or you can say that second part of this program. Here is the third part of this program. This is the fourth part of this program, and this is the last part of this program. Okay, thanks.